Howdy, Starshines. Trace here. Learning how to find new stars can be tough for new stargazers. The best way to learn something new is to build on what you already know. We call that star hopping. Hit the darkness at 8:30 this week and face north. Look for the famous Big Dipper, part of the constellation Ursa Major, the Great Bear. To star hop, connect the dots on the two stars at the end of the Dipper's bowl and make a line to Polaris, aka the North Star, which marks the end of the much fainter Little Dipper, Ursa Minor. We did all this last week. If you keep on that original line, though, you'll come to the W-shaped constellation Cassiopeia, the Queen. Next to her, a little hop about half the distance, and you'll see the V-shape of Andromeda, pointing down at the square of Pegasus. I know, once you get going, it's hard to stop, but this is a good start. Tune in for more hops and keep looking up.